Welcome back, everyone. Maybe in a situation where only one AirPod seems to be working at a time. So maybe you have your set of AirPods like this, and maybe you're using one AirPod in your ear, but the other AirPod seems to not be working, or maybe it's not connecting. Now, if that happens, what I would recommend doing is honestly taking both of the AirPods out of your ears, putting them back into the case just like this, and letting them sit there and close the case. Now, not every time this is going to fix it, but almost every single time, anytime I run into this issue, this is how I fix it, and it's pretty much fixed towards the end of it. So pretty much at this point, all you have to do is take the AirPods back out of the case like this, put them both back into your ears, and most of the time this will probably end up fixing it. For me personally, that's all I have to do, and I pretty much don't have to worry about anything else in life, and I'm pretty much set. Now let's say for some reason you do that and that doesn't work. Well, you may just have to go ahead and actually repair your AirPods to your specific device. So what I'd recommend doing is going to put your AirPods back into the case like this, flipping them on the back and holding down this back reset button until the front AirPod light starts blinking white. As soon as it starts blinking white, all you have to do is go ahead and grab your other iPhone, like so. You want to put them close to each other, and you just want to repair them. Now, once you go ahead and repair them, you can go through, click connect. They're going to go ahead and do the settings, whatever. And at that point, they will be connected, and all you have to do now is go ahead and do the same exact thing that we just did before. So take them both back out of your ears like so, put them back in, and then go ahead and see if that fixed it. I do think for a majority of people that'll probably end up fixing it, and most of the time this will probably end up doing it. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work, what I would recommend doing is determining which headphone is working and which one isn't. If you're noticing that one AirPod is consistently the one that's not working, no matter what you do, well, what you want to do is you want to go find the AirPod that doesn't work, and you want to look around it, and you want to make sure there's nothing like broken about it. You want to make sure there's no dust or debris stuck at the bottom here or on the sides. If you have a case on your AirPod, you may want to take it off, and you also want to make sure that the charging coil down here isn't altered either. You may want to go and grab a cotton swab or something and go ahead and clean out the inside of it, because sometimes there can be a lot of dust and debris that get stuck in there, and the best thing to do is pretty much clean out that little crevice there, and that probably should end up fixing it for you. If that fixed it, then you're pretty much good to go. If that still doesn't fix it, I'd recommend either rewatching this video or contacting Apple support and having them take a look at your AirPod, because there may be some issues there. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.